What is up, YouTube? Welcome to another day in the vlog. I hope you guys are pumped up for today's video. I know I am. For today's video, I'm gonna be telling you guys the 5 things I hate about my Alfa Romeo Julia. This is a 2017. It has just over 26,500 miles on it, which is actually really low. I actually bought this with 22,000. But as far as everything's going on this car, there's some things that I just don't like about this car. The first thing is your seat position. This seat position is the most uncomfortable spot in this entire car because for where I am, I'm a tall person. I'm 5'11", and when I'm sitting in here, it feels like if I want to enjoy all the cool features and stuff, like you're going really forward, you know what I mean? Like, okay, great, my knees are touching and I'm only at halfway. And then this, the telescoping wheel, this is out as far as it goes. So if I want it to be closer, like that, which looks cool. I wish that I could have it like this close to the dash, but my arms literally won't reach. So when I go back into my setting, I have a nice little saved setting, so it automatically adjusts everything, hands-free. When I go to try and grab it or whatever, it feels like my arm's just like a stick figure. Or if I go from the other side, like I like to just, you know, rest my arm right there and grab the steering wheel, but like it's like you have to shoulder your entire body just to do that. The telescoping steering wheel isn't very telescoping unless it's like, it's not an automatic telescoping steering wheel. Another thing is let's say you have your seat in the forward position, you know, like you're a small person. This car is built for small people because as soon as you turn off the car, right, so the car's off, as soon as you open the door, the seat goes back, you know? Great, now the seat's back. You get out of the car and that's amazing. Yes, I know it's raining, but for tall people like me, it doesn't go back anymore. And so I'm constantly shifting out of this spot where I'm just always like, you know, in an uncomfortable state. Like if the seat lifted up, because you know, if you want it to be a little bit lower, then it's even better. But if the seat's up a little bit and it raises up and pulls back a little bit or something like that for tall people, it'd be perfect if you could do that. I think that the tint that I added was an absolute necessity to it. I don't even really like this stuff. This is 10% and I wish that it was darker. On a hot day, it seems like you have the whole car on full blast, and yet it doesn't seem to cool down the car. And that's why I put in these tint, it's the 10% window tint all around. And like, it's frustrating for me because I'm like, dude, like I'm just here trying to enjoy this nice cold air. You know, you get back in from the beach or something and it's always just so hot and the air conditioning can never keep up, it seems like. Another thing I don't like about this car is how electronic it is, guys. It seems like this car is all built on electronics, which don't get me wrong, like that's really good. Safety wise, picture this, you know, you wanna enjoy the handling of your car and you're out on the open road. Next thing you know, the car is overriding you. And I hate being overridden. In the games, like, you know, Forza and all that stuff, I turn off all the assists because I want it to be as much as a real driving experience as possible. Well, when you get in a car like this, it's like the driving assists are on and there's no way to turn them off. The vehicle skid control and like stability control and all that stuff and traction control, just turn it off for a push of a button. Like, that'd be a super nice feature to have. I'm gonna show you something that's really annoying and I'm gonna roll down this window for that. You get out of the car, right? Maybe you're just running outside for just a half a second. As soon as you close that door, it starts dinging. And it keeps making this annoying ding noise until the door closes. See? And then when it closes, the dinging goes away. For my passengers and stuff, because I have the key on me in my person, it's always in my pocket. I want to like run in somewhere real quick. Like I forgot something in the house and I have people with me in the car. As soon as I get out, they have to listen to this dinging. Like, look, I'll take the key out, right? Put it outside. And then everything just starts dinging. So now imagine that you're sitting in here for like, you know, 3 minutes while I fill up my hydro flask and just deal with stuff. I have to deal with this dinging noise in the car, which is the most annoyingest noise ever. Or this is another reason why it is. That's like kind of frustrating because, you know, let's say you're picking up a girl for a date or something and you don't want to turn off the car. You go run around to the other side to open up the door for the girl and your thing's beeping. And then it takes another beep, 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 beep as you walk back around the car and hop back in. That dinging feature is absolutely really annoying. As far as everything else goes, I don't understand why they designed it this way. They actually have a cup holder built into that area, which I don't know how it, like, what if you're gonna put like a water bottle under there or something? I mean, I don't know. They're too small to be really usable in my opinion. Anyways, guys, I hope it kind of provides insight on you, and if you're buying a car or whatever, make sure to check out my YouTube because I have links to other videos of me doing different types of reviews of this car. Anyways, guys, without further ado, I will see you guys tomorrow in the next one. With nothing left to say, I guess it's time to end it.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this.